Hello everybody. This is just something fun I decided to do. It is something that I think is just a cool, easy drawing. It is a cobra snake. A cobra. So this is a very easy way to do it. Alright, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to start at the bottom of the page this time. And I'm going to draw a line that comes up, curves around like this, and comes right back down. Okay? Now once I have that basic line, what I'm going to do is I want to make the two things that come out of the side of a cobra's head. So it's kind of like very similar to the shape of like a half of a heart. So I don't start at the very top. I kind of start down the side a little bit. And I'm going to just do a big bump that comes around and curves in. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. A big bump that curves around and curves in. Okay? Now that I have that, I want to double that line. So what that means is I'm just going to simply draw a smaller one inside. 1, 2. Okay? Now when a cobra's up, he's kind of like this, coming at you. So we want to make his head coming that direction. So somewhere right around here, what you're going to do is you're going to draw a curved line down, then you're going to come over, and then curve it back up in, like that. Okay? And from here, we're going to add the face. So I'm going to do 2 curves for that eye, curve for that eye. I'm going to do a tongue, I'm going to do some fangs, and I'm going to double the lines on the side as well. So you don't want to go up on the head. I want to start right here in this crease, and I'm going to draw a line down here and a line down here. Okay? And the final thing I'm going to do is some lines across here like that. And then I try to kind of match them up on the other side, just so that it's symmetrical. We've talked about that term already. Like that. There we go. That is a very easy, cool looking snake. Now whenever you color this guy, you can pretty much color him however you want. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with a green. I think I'm going to use 2 different greens actually. I'm going to use a colored pencil green and a light crayon green. And so I'm going to start pushing real dark in certain areas. And then I'm going to lighten up like this. Okay? So I'm going to push dark and then lighten up. But then what I'm going to do is take this lighter green and I'm going to start at the bottom with it, pushing hard. But then I'm going to lighten up where it meets and it overlaps a little bit like that. Okay? So pushing hard down here even though it's a light color, and then pushing light once it starts to overlap. Like that. Yeah, that's cool. Okay? And I'm going to do the same thing to these 2 parts. So I'm going to push hard. My pencil is going to need sharpened soon. And I'm going to start pressing light. Press hard. Start pressing light. Okay, then I'm going to get my lighter color, push hard, and then lightly where it overlaps. Push hard here, lightly where it overlaps. Okay. I'm going to need to do a little bit of dark in the face as well. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to actually start from the top. Pushing hard and light. Like that. Then I'm going to take my green crayon. I'm going to overlap right on top of that. Like that. Oh yeah. Okay. Now, for the eyes, what color do I want the eyes? I'm going to go with the red. Just a solid red. And then for the tongue, I'm going to shade it a bit. So I'm going to push hard, but then real light. Like that. Okay. And I'm going to choose 2 colors for the sides, those stripes. And I'm just going to go with any random 2. So I'm going to go orange. Oh, I just broke it. It's okay, I can use this side. And notice how I'm alternating. So I'm doing every other section with orange. All right, then I'm going to go in with the purple. Fill in here. Like that. And I think I'm going to add purple for the body as well. So I'm going to push hard up here because all of this would be kind of shadowed in because his head's coming over. But then as I go down, I'm going to get nice and light. Oh yeah, there we go. Very cool. Cool looking Cobra snake. Give that one a shot, guys.